luxury cars. The greatest irony in the automobile world. Stunning to look at, ridiculously expensive, and often, let's be real, totally unreliable. And yet, we all want one. Admit it, you do too. But what if I told you not all luxury cars are heartbreakers? In fact, there are 13 hidden gems that defy the odds and stay reliable, even after the warranty expires. Here's the twist. Some are no-brainers, hello, Japan, but a few will absolutely shock you. We're talking about brands infamous for high repair bills that somehow manage to pull off a miracle. Trust me, you don't want to miss this list. Because before you drop a small fortune on a dream car, let's make sure it's a dream that doesn't turn into a nightmare. Watch till the end. Your wallet will thank you. Taking the first spot is the Porsche 911 991 generation. We begin this list with the most expensive, iconic, and the prettiest car. Actually, this is probably the most iconic sports car in the world. The Porsche 911 is the epitome of, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, and this car does not break. While 911s are generally reliable, the 991 generation set the bar even higher. The 2015 model scored an impressive 94 out of 100 in J.D. Power's quality and reliability score. The 991st generation came with more modern features like multifunction display screens, a better infotainment system, and driver assistance technologies, which upset a few people. Purists argued that Porsche was trying to appeal to the masses by making driving the car easier. Still, the interior, the engine, and the overall design improved on the 997, and it was a huge success. These cars are still expensive, as a 2015 GT3 Coupe can cost as much as several cars on this list. At number 2 is the Lexus GX 460. After nearly 15 years of faithful service, Toyota retired the Lexus GX 460 and replaced it with the new and improved 550. However, it wasn't because the GX 460 was a disappointment. While the 3-row 460 isn't the prettiest, fastest, or most fun-to-drive luxury SUV in its class, it is arguably the most dependable. The GX 460 does everything right and has a high J.D. Power quality and reliability score, which is a testament to Toyota's commitment to building cars that last. You can buy a used GX 460 for as little as $15,000, for a 2009 model, and as much as $70,000. This SUV has a high resale value, and even though it will require a few repairs, it is rarely anything complicated. Like most cars, there have been a few recalls, but they were quickly corrected and not severe. At number 3, we have the Mercedes EClass W212. Of all the luxury car brands, Mercedes has one of the worst reputations when it comes to longevity. However, the EClass W212 is a different story. Built between 2009 and 2016, the 4th generation E-Class scored high on J.D. Power's Reliability Index, with the 2009 model scoring an astonishing 88. The W212 is a gorgeous car inside and out that can last hundreds of thousands of miles. Some speculate as high as 500,000 with proper maintenance. The E-Class has always been a reliable model, apart from the W211. That doesn't mean that the W212 doesn't have any issues. The most common ones to look for are problems with the water pump, electrical issues, and injector problems on the diesel engines. The V6 diesel also had oil cooler leaks. Also, look for rust around the rear subframe and axle. As with all used cars, thoroughly inspect it and check the car history. You can get a good condition E-Class W212 for under 10 grand, which is an absolute bargain. The 4th car is the BMW 340i with the B58 engine. Not to be outdone by their fiercest rival, BMW also wanted an engine that wouldn't be discarded after warranty, and it nailed it with the B58. Every car with this engine is reliable, but the 3 Series is the quintessential BMW, and the M340i is its crowning achievement. The B58 is a turbocharged straight-six engine launched in 2015. It is a regular fixture on Ward's 10 Best Engines annual list. The BMW 340i, with diesel or petrol, can be had with an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual. The engine starts at 320 horsepower and can reach 382 horsepower. The sport mode is incredible, the interior is fancy, and it can be yours for $15,000. That is a bargain for a car with a reliable engine. You might occasionally have oil leaks and faulty electricals, but nothing serious. However, if the car has been modified, you must ensure it was done by a reputable mechanic. Otherwise, you will spend a fortune on repairs. Coming at number 5 is the Audi Q5 and SQ5. There is a surprising number of German cars on our list. If only they had maintained this level of reliability across all luxury models, they wouldn't have such spotty reputations. Nevertheless, the Audi Q5 is a marvelous machine, which is why it is the brand's best-selling model. The Q5 has a 4-liter engine, but we prefer the 3.0-liter supercharged V6 engine, which churns out 272 horsepower. The SQ5, with the same engine, spits out 354 horses and 346 pounds of torque and does 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds. That is impressive for a crossover SUV. It also has decent mileage, and you can get one for as low as $12,000. The 2017 version has the highest quality and reliability rating, with 82. Slightly older models were close, but newer models seem to have reverted to old patterns. The 2017 versions also didn't experience significant recalls like previous or more recent years, making them a safe investment. Number 6 is the Lexus RX models. Did you know that the Lexus RX was the first luxury crossover SUV? It's no wonder these cars have been on the market for nearly 30 years and show no sign of falling apart. Of course, our favorite model is the RX 350. The 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine delivers a smooth, powerful ride. The car is also surprisingly fuel efficient for its category, with the 2018 version providing 18 to 31 miles per gallon. You also get an 86 out of 100 reliability rating on J.D. Power, which is extraordinary for a luxury car. The RX 350 is made with high-quality materials and is super comfortable. This model year can be yours for roughly $25,000, and this version has never had a recall. The interior of the car feels truly luxurious, apart from one thing: the infotainment system. It is shockingly bad compared to its German rivals. It also has a small cargo space, which isn't great for families on road trips. But hey, no car can be perfect, right? The next car certainly comes close. The Porsche Macan is the 7th car worth owning after warranty. Not content with one contender on the list, Porsche had to do it again with basically the same car in the body of an SUV? Shouldn't that be cheating? Yes, the Porsche Macan certainly feels like cheating. It is a luxury SUV that drives like a sports car, featuring either a 4-liter or a 6-liter engine. Since its debut in 2014, J.D. Power has consistently ranked it as the best compact premium SUV. It also has high reliability ratings in the mid-80s. The cars are built with premium parts, which is why owners rarely report any major issues. However, the 2015 model's exhaust bracket is known to crack, and the timing chain cover leaks up until 2019. But these are hardly serious issues. Used Porsche Macans are shockingly cheap, as you can get a 2015 turbo version for under $15,000. If you want an even cheaper SUV, I've got the perfect car for you. The 8th car on our list is the Acura MDX. There is a lot to love about Honda's premium line. Acuras are known for functional tech, premium interiors, and comfortable drives. They also have a distinct look that makes them instantly recognizable. The best part about the MDX is how reliable it is. Launched in 2005, this compact SUV was built to last, and it does. You can expect this car to reach 250,000 or even 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Besides dependability, the SUV's 3.5-liter V6 engine is a lot of fun to drive. While there are frequent complaints about timing belt issues and valve adjustments, these are mild repairs compared to what you expect from a premium SUV. Best of all, you can get a 2007 version for under $7,000. However, if you're in the market for something bigger, faster, and fancier, look no further than at number 9 is the BMW X5. Bimmer makes a return to our list with the same B58 engine. This time, it's in the body of a beast. The BMW X5 was the German company's first SUV, and it was a hit. It had big, bold designs, a powerful engine, and premium features. Unfortunately, it was also BMW's first SUV, which meant they still had a lot to figure out. The older generations, for example, with the N55 engine, leaked oil like a fountain. However, the X5 with the B58 engine is a match made in motor heaven. Anyone with that engine is a great buy. The car was refreshed in 2019 with new models like the otherworldly xDrive 40i, which boasts a larger engine, more horsepower, a better infotainment system, and newer tech. However, the car doesn't hold its value quite as well as the 2018, which can be purchased for $18,000. If you're finding these insights helpful, hit that subscribe button now. We're constantly diving into the world of cars to bring you the best picks, tips, and insider advice to keep you ahead of the game. Taking the 10th spot is the Audi S4. Of all the cars on this list, the Audi S4 has the worst reputation for reliability. From leaky transmissions to brakes, wearing out quickly, and turbocharger problems, it's like Audi couldn't do anything right. Then came 2012. The German company turned things around with a 3-liter supercharged V6 engine combined, quattro all-wheel drive, and the improved DSG transmission. Just like that, the Audi S4 became one of the most reliable cars on the market. Thanks to its previous reputation, the car is pretty affordable, and you can snap one up for under $13,000. One problem that may arise is the catalytic converter clogging up. This is due to it being positioned close to the engine. Beyond that, you are unlikely to need any major repairs. The 11th car is the Lincoln MKZ. This car is full of surprises. First, because Lincoln isn't known for reliability. Second, it is the only American car on the list. And third, it is the only car you want to avoid until after the warranty. Lincolns are known for having issues that show up early, but the cars after 2013 are pretty reliable. However, the 2017 MKZ 2-liter EcoBoost had a coolant leaking problem that required a lawsuit to fix. Fortunately, this leak happened around 60,000 miles and was covered by the warranty. After this problem is fixed, the car runs shockingly well. If you're looking for speed, the Lincoln MKZ has a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 option that gives 400 horsepower. That is impressive and better than the next luxury car worth owning after warranty. Number 12 is the Lexus IS Models. Our third and final Lexus is another testament to Toyota's astounding engineering. While nearly every model has proven very reliable, perhaps the king is the 2015 is 250. The car scored an impressive 84 on J.D. Power's Reliability Index and an even more impressive 87 on its resale rating. The IS250 also comes with many safety features, decent highway mileage of 30 miles per gallon, and a powerful 2.5-liter V6 engine. You can get your hands on a decent used car for $15,000, and it will likely hold its value for several years. What I love about the IS models is that even when you reach 200,000 miles, they are still fairly easy to maintain. The 350 will give you more power, but it also gives less fuel economy. If you don't mind that, you'll love the final car. The last luxury car on our list is the Porsche Cayenne. There are so many reasons to love this car. It handles beautifully, has a stellar engine that reaches 570 horsepower on the turbo V8, and has exceptional tech for connectivity, entertainment, and safety. But it also has one reason to hate it, and that's the poor fuel economy. The V6 gets a combined 18 miles per gallon and the V8 14, which is abysmal. But then again, you don't buy a sports car to save on gasoline, and make no mistake about it, this SUV is a sports car. This car can go from 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, which is faster than the BMW M340i and some Porsche 911S. Of course, for the purpose of this list, the most important feature is reliability. For that, buy the models after 2017/2018 and avoid any with air suspension, because they always end up leaking. Also, buy one where the transfer case has been replaced, and unless you're a mechanic, stick with the base V6 model. Follow these simple rules, and you'll have a Porsche Cayenne that will serve you seamlessly for years. These 13 luxury cars prove you can have reliability and elegance even after the warranty ends. With proper care, they'll serve you for years to come. Want more insights? Check out 7 car brands that are better than Toyota to discover even more reliable options. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.